Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm assassinghost, and in this video we are going to take a look at three of the most useful plugins in Adobe XD. So as you all may already know that Adobe XD let you add some plugins which enhances your workflow or which really assist you in many ways while using Adobe XD. So in this video I'm going to talk about three of my personal favorites Adobe XD plugins which I use on a daily basis, and these are not like specific plugins which enable some extra functionality, but these are, in my opinion, the plugins you must have even if you're doing different kind of workflow. These will be common to all use cases. So without any further ado, let's jump right into Adobe XD and take a look at all these three items. Plugins. So starting Adobe XD, I have some artboards, and as you can see, the first one is a blog with a title and an image. Second one is user profile, and third one is for location. So what all these three artboards are missing: in the first blog we have the title, we have the image, but we need a paragraph text or something right here. In the user profile we need an user image, and for location we need some kind of map. So there are various methods for doing this. So basically you can go to lipsum.com or something lipsum.org website. You can just go ahead and literally copy some lorem ipsum text and go ahead and paste it and do all of these shenanigans. And in the user profile you can just go ahead and go to different website, come here, import it, and then mask it to the shape and do all those things. And for the third option, location, you can go to a Google Maps, take a screenshot, crop it, and after cropping you can just go ahead and import it right here. So these three methods work, but they are not your time savings. So for saving your time and for making you efficient, there are three plugins for that. There are three separate plugins. For the first, lorem ipsum, if you don't know, by the way, you can just go to this icon right here. Like, this is the last icon, and this is called plugins. Once you click on it, you will get the ability to add plugins. If you simply click on this plus button right here, a new window will pop up, and once you are here, you can go ahead and search for your plugins. You can discover some plugins. There are some editor choice as well. You can browse via category. You can just directly write the name if you know. So for example, and if you already have some plugins, you can come and manage from here. So basically we are going to talk about these three plugins. So let's see them in action. First of all, we need the lorem ipsum text. So I will just go ahead and draw a placeholder right here, and let's just say I need my text to be right of this size, and I will just go to lorem ipsum and I'll say fill it with a placeholder text. It will ask for which kind of lorem ipsum I want. I want German, English, Latin, Francis, or any other. So this one I'm going to choose Latin standard. In with punctuation mark, period or ellipses, include line breaks, trim text area you can do, and just press insert text. Once you do that, all you need to do is just go ahead and use your desired font, and the desired font size, which in this case will be 20. So as you can see, it was really easy. We just need to create a simple placeholder, and once you do that, you can just fill it with text. This is really easy. And so this was the first plugin. Instead of copying, pasting, and making different kind of modifications, you can just go ahead and resize it, and the text is still there. If you have used InDesign, you know that if the placeholder box is smaller than the actual text, you get this small extension. So you can just go ahead and extend it, and you can still go ahead and make some changes as you wish to do so. So in this case, I like to keep it here. So this is the first. Now the second one is for your user profile. The plugin is called UI Faces, and this is like a really great plugin. I really like it. So let's take a look at what it does. So basically select your shape. In this case, I'm selecting this ellipse, or you can just go ahead and draw a little bit of, square. You can do some rounded rectangle. You can go ahead and draw a polygon, anything you wish to do so. So in this case, we are just using this circle as an example. I'll click on UI Faces, and I have different sources. I can select from unsplash.com, I can select from pexels.com, and select from imdb.com, randomuser.me, this person did not exist, generated photo, donated, and other sources. So for that you also get some filters, and in filters you can select the age range from 18 to, let's just say, 25, gender maybe female, emotional be happiness, and hair color blonde. Okay, advanced you can just order the filter result by popularity and other stuff. So now you have two options. You can go ahead and select photos. Once you click on select photos, it will give you a wide range of selections. So as you can see, we selected 18 to 25, female, blonde, happiness. So these are all the images that came as a result. If you like something, so for example, let's just say I'll just go ahead and put here and say apply. It is going to automatically mask it and make it of the correct size. And if you don't want to select, you can just go ahead and say apply randomly. It will say UI faces is working, and once it is done finding an image for you, it will just put right here. So of course you can just go ahead and define all this. You can just define all the sources. So this is like a really this guy is not Martha Smith, but let's just go right past it. Okay, so this is our user profile. This is the second plugin, and now let's go ahead and talk about the third plugin. So for the third one, let's just say you need a map, and normally you will need to go ahead and take screenshots and then crop it, and then or like import it right here, resize it, and do other stuff. But in this case, all you need to do is make a placeholder just like this. So I'm going to make a full screen map, and let me just go ahead and quickly resize it, and now go to, this is called UMap, and you can easily search it. Okay, so now you have the map sources. You want map from Tencent, you want map from AMap, you want map from Baidu, or you want from Google. I personally prefer Google, and you can just go ahead and search for the location you wish to insert and just press search. Once you do that, you will get New Delhi and press apply. As you can see, we now have New Delhi. Now if you took a screenshot of it and like you did it from the normal method, then you won't have these modification options. Now you can just go ahead and zoom in or zoom out on this map. So for example, I can just go ahead and zoom out, or if I want, I can just go ahead and zoom in, and if I want, I can just change the location and do whatever I want. So these three are the real-time savers, and I personally use it, and I definitely recommend you to use it for your design prototypes and anything you wish to use them for. So basically, these are my personal favorite. Definitely let me know in the comments down below which one of the plugins are your favorite. Do you like any one of these? Do you already have them? Or are there any other plugins which you would like to recommend? So if you guys really like it, be sure to hit a like, and if I receive enough like, I will definitely create a second part. And we constantly create videos related on Adobe XD and other Adobe products, so definitely be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and as always, thanks for watching. Peace.